Okay guys, so kind of a random giveaway video here. This is a product that I haven't reviewed yet, but Banggood asked me if maybe any of you guys would want one of these. And first of all, it's only going to be for people in the US. If you're outside of the US, they're not going to be able to ship it to you because it's coming from the US warehouse. And so I'm sorry if you guys are entering the giveaway. If you're not in the US, you're not going to be able to get this. So it's just for the US guys here. Yeah, some kind of smart robot. I guess it's for kids. You put it together and you use an app and control it and stuff. Looks interesting, so I thought maybe you guys might want to enter the giveaway. It's free, so why not? Yeah, let me know if you guys want to see these kind of videos or not. Let me know in the comments below. I figure, well, it's free. Let you guys have at it, and I'll draw the winner in a couple days. Again, giving my schedule, and the winner will have 24 hours to claim the prize. So good luck, and I'll talk to you later.